Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So that's the bottom welded to the top. I just need to cut some skids and weld the skids on and do the channel irons inside. But I tacked it all up. Then I started to, weld a bit across the top there, and then flip it over, do the same mount, and then flip it over back again, and repeat then. So I didn't put too much heat at once into one side and made it warp then basically. So working with skids now, I found the offcut of a heavy angle iron, so I've cut in half and it'll strengthen the side as well and work as a skid. And I've now found this offcut of steel, and it'll do for a skid in the middle now. So I'll get it out now and tack this up and weld the sides up as well. So I've cut two pieces of nice heavy channel iron, so it's some good stuff there, and it'll the old stuff was a lot lot narrower, and it was thinner stuff as well, this box section, so this will definitely strengthen it. So first coat of primer, I didn't film it, but I used a wire brush cup on a big grinder and went all over the two of them. Coat of primer now, and then leave it dry for a couple of days, and then coat of black, and put it back together, and she'll look really nicely, good as new. So better ones we already have anyway. Okay.